I'm Murray Izenwasser. I'm the Senior Vice President of Digital Strategy here at Oz. My team and I work with our clients to help them create the strategies that help drive their digital transformations. We're a digital strategy, innovation, technology services organization, and we help our clients focus their business and focus their future on driving to better results. There's capabilities that we have today around data, around digital, around technology to create some absolutely incredible solutions that we may not have had in the past. We talked about it, but the ability to actually create those solutions, the ability to create automation, to bring in data across the enterprise and from outside the enterprise and craft solutions that help drive the business, I think the time that we're in right now is unprecedented in our ability to do that. There are so many new flashy technologies and techniques and platforms that are out there that it's really easy to get lost in the flash and the sizzle. What we do with our clients is we always help them take that step back to take a look at the things that are important, to ask the right questions that come before even defining what the problem is that we're trying to solve. And I think that that's an important step that most organizations fail to do when they're looking to create a digital strategy, when they're looking to digitally transform themselves, is they focus on a technology. They focus on something specific that may or may not be the solution to their problem. I feel very strongly that most organizations can get a really huge return from focusing on the nuts and the bolts, the meat and the potatoes of cleaning up their data, of cleaning up their systems, of adding some automation to help empower their employees and help empower their clients and their customers to, when they're doing business with the organization, that they couldn't even conceive of doing business elsewhere. And that's what we're really driving for. So first thing I would do is work with our clients to help them take that step back, ask the right questions, help define the problem that we're trying to solve, but also take a look at what are the things that we can do while this is going on to truly empower the organization and create the base for the true digital transformation that we're trying to achieve. There are so many new technologies out there that organizations are focusing on that most organizations forget to take that step back that's necessary to create a great strategic plan. And the advice that I would give is to take that step back, create the great strategic plan without focusing on what the technologies are that we're going to be implementing. We help our clients take a holistic view of the entire landscape that impacts their organization, whether that's from an industry perspective, the various stakeholders, both inside and outside the organization, to make sure that they are actually creating a transformation, creating a strategy that will end up driving their business. And I think that's how we're different here at Oz, is we're not focused on a specific technology, we're not focused on a specific approach. We have the ability to take that holistic view and help our client. Because we work across industries, we're able to take the work that we're doing with one client and apply it to another. So we take this view that's wider than most organizations, especially organizations of our size. We help our clients create true strategies, true transformations that drive their businesses, that focus on both the top and the bottom line, that drive the return on the investment of the digital transformation initiatives that they take. As the pace of change has accelerated over the past couple of years, as new technologies, techniques, platforms, and competitors have come into all of the marketplaces over the past couple of years, it's imperative that any strategic plan, whether it's a 1-year, 3-year, 5-year plan, be flexible enough to shift to the new realities that are constantly coming into the market. We have tools and processes and accelerators that we work with our clients to help drive their digital strategies and drive their digital transformations and help them create those flexible plans that we can revisit at any point. Accelerators like our Ignite process, which is the strategic accelerator that we have that helps define the digital transformation strategies, the digital strategies, even the business strategies for our clients. Accelerators like Launchpad, where we create the criteria for how we decide which digital initiatives we are going to be implementing as part of the strategic plan. These accelerators help our clients take advantage of the changes that are occurring across technology, across digital, and across all industries. Oz is unique in a number of ways. We've been around for 25 years and we've grown with the industry as the industry has changed, as new technologies and new techniques and new platforms have evolved. We've evolved with them. We have a one-team approach across all of the organization where we're able to bring the right set of skill sets for that particular initiative, for that particular client, to help ensure that we're building something that can actually be done. Because one of the ways that we're unique is we not only do the strategy, we also work with our clients on implementation. So we want to ensure that what we're defining as part of the strategy can be implemented in the real world successfully. I think over the next couple of years, there's going to be even more opportunity around data and process and technology coming together to create very unique solutions. Solutions that the market hasn't seen before. For the larger enterprise, that'll mean taking a step outside of themselves and becoming much more nimble. For the smaller organization, there's potentially opportunities to create something that the larger enterprises are overlooking, because the larger enterprises may have the baggage of legacy systems that the smaller organization might not have. So I think there's tremendous opportunities, even more so than we've had in the past 4 or 5 years, to bring those three things together, to bring together the data, the process, the technology, and create really unique, crafted solutions to help drive businesses. And here at Oz, this is what we help our clients do. We help our clients take a look out at the landscape that's there, create those unique solutions, and make sure that we're helping them create better businesses.